they're harvesting some rice. So let's go take a look and see what's going on over there. We're right over here at the entrance to the field. We're gonna go to the back real quick and see what Bobby's got going on. But right here, you can just see, this is the general conditions of rice fields when you're harvesting. Especially here in Texas, it's been very wet. This makes it very difficult on the machinery, makes it very difficult on the actual harvesting process. They can't get the grain carts into the field in this particular field. Sit back and enjoy a close-up look at what it's like for a Texas rice farmer. right, guys, it's getting late. I'm leaving in the morning. I gotta go spend some time with the boys, and we're gonna have some ice cream, enjoy the last bit of Sunday. But it has been a fun day harvesting right.